Welcome to educational channel of Suresh Bhatt classes, quantitative video on work and wages. I am going to cover complete topic with direct solution formula and all types of questions asked in multiple competitive exams and placement interviews. Please watch this video till the end as every question is of different type and solved with normal and shortcut methods. This topic is extended part of time and work. I will highly recommend to watch the video on time and work as well as my complete series on quantitative aptitude. So let us learn the steps to solve questions on work and wages. So our first step will be find one day work. This we have already learned in time and work. After finding one day work, find ratio of efficiency. If ratio of days to finish the work is X ratio Y, then ratio of efficiency is Y ratio X. If say person A can do a work in 3 days and person B can do the work in 2 days, then the ratio of days to finish the work is 3:2 and the ratio of their efficiency will be 2:3. Now we have to keep in the mind that wages are directly proportional to work. The person who works more will get the wages more. Also, we have already discussed this topic in time and work, that is work is directly proportional to efficiency. The person who is more efficient will be able to do more work. Then next step will be find share of wages according to efficiency. We know that the work is directly proportional to efficiency, thus wages is directly proportional to efficiency. So we can distribute the wages as per the efficiency of the persons who are doing the work. Now to learn this topic, we will go to the questions. Work and wages. We start with very easy question, and the question is A can do a work in 5 days, B can do the same work in 7 days, both work together, what amount each receives if they get rupees 480 for the work. We saw like this. As we know, the wages are as per the efficiency. The person who works more gets more wages or more money than the person who works less. And here the time has been given to us, and the reverse of the time is efficiency. So we find the efficiency first, days and efficiency. So A ratio B, the ratio of their days of doing work is 5:7. A does the work in 5 days and B does the work in 7 days. So their efficiency will be 7:5. As A completes the work in 5 days, so he will be able to do more work than B who is doing the work in 7 days. So their efficiency ratio will be 7:5. Now their wages will be according to their efficiency. So A's wages equal to the total efficiency is 7 plus 5 is 12 and efficiency of A is 7 out of 12. So 7 upon 12 multiplied by 480. 12 cancels 480 for 40 times. So this gives us 7 multiplied by 40 is 280. And B's wages equal to 5 upon 12 multiplied by 480. And 12 cancels 480 for 40 times. So B's wages are 200. A gets rupees 280 and B gets rupees 200. This way we can solve easily the question based on number of days they are completing the work. In previous question there were 2 persons working together, and now in this question there are 3 persons working together. And the question is Kishore, Pratik and Ravi can do a work in 10, 15 and 18 days respectively. They worked together and received rupees 2,700 for the work. How much money each will get? Here 3 persons are involved and their time of completing the work is given, and we have to distribute the amount they receive as per their capabilities. So we will do it by a shortcut method of LCM, Kishore, Pratik and Ravi. Kishore completes the work in 10 days, Pratik does it in 15 days and Ravi in 18 days. The LCM of 10, 15 and 18 is 90. So the one work is divided into 90 parts and Kishore can do that 90 parts in 10 days, Pratik can do in 15 days and Ravi can do in 18 days. So one day work of Kishore is 90 divided by 10 is 9 parts. One day work of Pratik is 90 divided by 15 which is 6 parts and 90 divided by 18 is 5 parts by Ravi. So when they work together they can complete 9 plus 6 plus 5 which is 20 parts per day, out of which Kishore's wages equal to 9 upon 20 multiplied by 2700. So 20 divides 2700 for 135 times and 9 multiplied by 135 equal to 1215 and Pratik's wages are 6 upon 20 as he does 6 parts out of 20 parts per day. So his efficiency is 6 and as per the efficiency his payment will be 6 upon 20 multiplied by 2700 upon 1 and again 20 cancels 2700 for 135 times and 135 multiplied by 6 is 810. So Pratik gets rupees 810 out of 2700. Ravi's wages are 5 upon 20 as he completes 5 parts out of 20 parts per day multiplied by 2700 and 20 divides 2700 for 135 times and 135 multiplied by 5 equal to rupees 675. So 2700 can be divided among Kishore, Pratik and Ravi as rupees 1215 for Kishore, rupees 810 for Pratik and rupees 675 for Ravi. This way they will get their wages as per their capability of doing the work or as per their efficiency. The next question is, Anil can do a work in 12 days. Imran can do the same work in 16 days. Working together with Jack, they completed the work in 4 days. How much money each should get if they receive rupees 2400 for the whole work? Here Anil and Imran took the help of Jack and they completed the work in 4 days and we have to find their share in the total earning of rupees 2400. So we solve like this. As we do not know the capability of Jack or his efficiency and we will find out from the work done by Anil and Imran the share of Jack. So we first solve for Anil and Imran. Anil does the work in 12 days and Imran does in 16 days and the LCM of 12 and 16 is 48. So we divide the work in 48 parts. As the LCM of 12 and 16 is 48, we divide the work in 48 parts and out of 48 parts, 48 divided by 12 is 4. 4 parts Anil does every day and 48 divided by 16 is 3 and 3 parts every day is done by Imran. So 4-day work of Anil is 16 parts. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16 parts out of 48 parts. So he should get for 16 parts out of 48 parts. So 16 divided by 48 multiplied by 2400 and 48 divides 2400 for 50 times. So Anil's share is 16 multiplied by 50 is rupees 800. Imran's 4-day work, as Imran is doing 3 part of the work every day, so he completes 12 part of the work out of 48 parts. So 12 divided by 48 multiplied by 2400 is his share. 48 divides 2400 for 50 times and 12 multiplied by 50 is rupees 600. Therefore, Jack's share equal to 2400 minus 800 minus 600 equal to rupees 1000. We can solve this question by alternative shortcut method, as we know that Anil can complete the work in 12 days and he works for 4 days. So his 4-day wages is the share of Anil. So this is the shortcut for finding out the share of Anil. 4 divided by 12 multiplied by 2400 and 12 divides 2400, which is equal to 200, and 4 multiplied by 200 is rupees 800. So this is the direct method by which we can find out the Anil's share. Similarly, Imran's share will be, as he is able to do the work in 16 days and he works for 4 days, so he will be getting the 4-day wages. So 4 divided by 16 multiplied by 2400 and 16 divides 2400 for 150 times, and 150 multiplied by 4 is rupees 600. So after subtracting 800 and 600 from 2400, we will get the Jack's share. So Jack's share is 2400 minus 800 minus 600 equal to rupees 1000. We go to the next question, and the question is: A can do a work in 24 days, B in 30 days and C in 36 days. They worked together and completed the work in 8 days with the help of D. If the total wages for the work was rupees 3600, find the share of D. In the previous question, there were 2 persons and they completed the work with the help of the third person. Here there are 3 persons and they are completing the work with the help of the fourth person, and the amount received by the fourth person is asked in this question. So we will find out the work done by A, B and C, and the remaining work was done by D, and he will be getting the wages as per the work done by him. So we solve like this with the shortcut method directly. As A completes the work in 24 days, so his 8-day work will be 8 upon 24, which is equal to 1 upon 3 of the work. B's 8-day work equal to 8 upon 30, as B completes the work in 30 days. So he works in 8 days, which is equal to 8 upon 30. This is equal to 8 upon 30 is equal to 4 upon 15. C's work in 8 days equal to 8 upon 36, as C completes the work in 36 days. This is equal to 2 upon 9, as 4 divides 8 for 2 times and 36 for 9 times. So D's work equal to, out of 1 work, 1 minus 1 upon 3 done by A minus 4 upon 15 done by B minus 2 upon 9 done by C. The LCM of 3, 15 and 9 is 45. So 45, 1 divides 45 for 45 times. So 45 minus 3 divides 45 for 15 times. So it's 15 minus 15 divides 45 for 3 times, and 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, minus 9 divides 45 for 5 times, and 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. This is equal to 45 minus 15 minus 12 minus 10. 15 plus 12 is 27 plus 10 equal to 37, and 45 minus 37 equal to 8. So D's work is 8 upon 45 and he should get the amount as per his work. Therefore, D's wages equal to 8 upon 45 multiplied by 3600 upon 1. So 9 divides 45 for 5 times and 9 divides 36 for 4 times and 2 zeros, that is 400. And 5 divides 400 for 80 times. And 8 multiplied by 8 is 64. And 8 multiplied by 0 is 0. So these wages are rupees 640. This way we can solve the questions very easily. If our logics and concepts are very clear, then the questions are very easy to us. Our next question is, A and B can complete a job in 8 and 12 days respectively. They took the job for rupees 4080. Working together with the help of a woman and a boy, they completed the job in 4 days. If woman does thrice the work of boy, what will be the share of woman and boy? In this question, we will first find out the work done by A and B, and after subtracting from the one work, we will get the work done by the woman and a boy, and we will distribute as per their efficiency the amount earned by them. We will directly solve it by a shortcut method. As A can do the work in 8 days, so his 4-day work will be 4 upon 8, and B can do the work in 12 days, so his 4-day work will be 4 upon 12. So the LCM is 24. 8 divides 24 for 3 times, and 4 multiplied by 3 equal to 12, plus 12 divides 24 for 2 times, and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So this is equal to 20 upon 24 equal to 5 upon 6. Therefore, work done by woman plus boy equal to 1 minus 5 upon 6, which is equal to 1 upon 6. Therefore, wages of woman plus boy equal to 1 upon 6 multiplied by 4080. 6 divides 4080. 6 divides 40 for 6 times. Remainder is 4. And 6 divides 48 for 8 times. And 0 for 0 times. So, this is rupees 680. So the share of woman plus boy equal to rupees 680, which is divided among them as per their efficiency. Woman ratio boy's efficiency is 3:1. Therefore, woman's share out of 4, she is doing 3/4 of the work. 3 plus 1 is 4, so she is doing 3/4 of the work. So 3 upon 4 multiplied by 680. 4 divides 680 for 170 times. This is equal to 170 multiplied by 3 is rupees 510. Boy's share is 680 minus 510, or we can do by his efficiency as well. So this is 1 upon 4 is his efficiency, 1 out of 4. 1 upon 4 multiplied by 680. 4 divides 680 for 170 times. So this is equal to rupees 170. This way we can easily solve this question. Woman gets rupees 510 and boy gets rupees 170 as per their capability or efficiency. The next question is, Amit, Badal and Chetan take up a work for rupees 3000. They started the work together. Amit left the work after 1 day. After 1 more day, Badal also left the work. Chetan worked till the completion of the work. If Amit, Badal and Chetan can complete the work in 10, 12 and 20 days respectively, find how much amount each gets for their work. The question seems to be very lengthy, but it's very easy and we can solve it very easily by shortcut method. So Amit's share will be equal to his 1 day work. As he is able to complete the work in 10 days, so his 1 day work will be 1 upon 10 and he should get the wages as per his 1 upon 10 of the work. So 1 upon 10 multiplied by 3000 equal to rupees 300. Badal does the work for 2 days. So his 2-day work equal to 2 upon 12, as he is able to complete the work in 12 days. So his 2-day work will be equal to 2 upon 12 multiplied by 3000. 2 cancels 12 for 6 times and 6 divides 3000 for 500 times. So this is equal to rupees 500. Therefore, Chetan's share equal to 3000 minus 300, which is Amit's share, minus 500, which is Badal's share. So 3000 minus 300 minus 500 equal to 2200. Thus Chetan gets rupees 2200, Amit gets rupees 300 and Badal gets rupees 500 as per the work done by them. Our next question is, Atul can do a work in 15 days and Dinesh in 18 days. Both started the work together. Atul left the work after 3 days. Dinesh left after another 3 days. Remaining work was completed by Keshav. If they received rupees 4500 for the entire work, find the amount each one received. As Atul did the work only for 3 days, so Atul's share will be, as he completes the work in 15 days, so he will be doing 3 upon 15 of the work in 3 days, and he should get as per the work done by him. So 3 upon 15 multiplied by 4500 is his share for the money. 15 cancels 4500 for 300 times. So Atul's share is rupees 900. Dinesh does the work for 3 days with Atul and another 3 days independently. So he does the work for 6 days and his 6-day share of the work will be 6 upon 18, as he can complete the work in 18 days, multiplied by 4500. 6 cancels 18 for 3 times and 3 cancels 4500 for 1500 times or 1500 times. So Dinesh's share is rupees 1500. Therefore the balance work was done by Keshav. So therefore Keshav's share equal to 4500 minus 900, which is share of Atul, minus 1500, which is share of Dinesh. This is equal to 4000 minus 900 minus 1500 equal to rupees 2100. So Keshav receives rupees 2100 while Atul receives rupees 900 and Dinesh receives rupees 1500 as per their work. We solve the next question, and the question is, Akram worked for 6 days and left the work. Bashir completed the remaining work in 6 days. If Akram had worked for 4 days, Bashir would have completed the remaining work in 9 days. If they work together and get rupees 2000 for the total work, what amount each will receive? Very interesting question. I will solve it by traditional or normal method, and I will explain how to solve this question by shortcut method. So we start solving the question like this. Let us assume that Akram completes the work in A days. Then he has worked for 6 days. So his 6-day work will be 6 upon A, and remaining work was completed by Bashir in again 6 days, and let Bashir can do this work in B days. Then his 6-day work will be 6 upon B. This is equal to 1, and this is our equation number 1. Now second condition is, if Akram had worked for 4 days, then his 4-day work would have been 4 upon A, and then Bashir would have completed the remaining work in 9 days. So his 9-day work will be 9 upon B. This is also equal to 1, and we give this equation as equation number 2. Now if we have to eliminate either A or B, so we eliminate B, and for that we allow to multiply equation number 1 by 3 and equation number by 2. So equation number 1 multiplied by 3 gives us 18 upon A plus 18 upon B equal to 3, and equation number 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 8 upon A plus 9 times 2 is 18 upon B equal to 2. And if we subtract, then what we get? 18 upon B cancels 18 upon B, and 18 minus 8 equal to 10 upon A equal to 1. This gives A equal to 10 days. So Akram can complete the work in 10 days. And for finding the number of days of Bashir, we substitute the value of A in equation number 1. So what we get? 6 upon 10 plus 6 upon B equal to 1. We cancel 6 by 2 for 3 times and 10 by 2 for 5 times. And this gives 6 upon B equal to 1 minus 3 upon 5. This gives 6 upon B equal to 2 upon 5. 1 minus 3 upon 5 is 2 upon 5. And 2 cancels 6 for 3 times. This gives B equal to 5 multiplied by 3 equal to 15 days. So Bashir can do the work in 15 days. Now we can find out their efficiency ratio. A ratio B in days is 10 ratio 15, and A ratio B in efficiency is just reverse of the number of days is their efficiency. So A ratio B in efficiency is 15 ratio 10 equal to 3 ratio 2. And if they work together, then the money will be distributed in the ratio of 3 ratio 2. So Akram's share equal to 3 upon 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. So Akram's share will be 3 upon 5 multiplied by 2000. 5 cancels 2000 for 400 times. So 400 multiplied by 3 is 1200. And that will be the ratio of Akram equal to rupees 1200. And Bashir's share will be 2 upon 5 multiplied by 2000. 5 cancels again 2000 for 400 times. So this gives 2 multiplied by 400 equal to 800 equal to rupees 800. Thus Bashir's share is rupees 800. This way we can find by the conventional or normal method, in which the basic concept is involved of capability or efficiency, and how to find efficiency by forming the equations. Now we solve it by shortcut method. So Akram starts the work and works for 6 days, and then Bashir completes the work in 6 days. This is the first condition. And the second condition, when Akram works for 4 days, then the remaining work is done by Bashir in 9 days. So if we subtract 4 from 6, this gives 2 days work of Akram equal to 6 subtracted from 9 is 3 days. 3 days work of Bashir. So whatever the work Akram can do in 2 days, Bashir will be doing the same work in 3 days. So this is the capability of Akram and Bashir. And the reverse of this is their efficiency. So efficiency of Akram, which is I denoted by A, ratio Bashir I denoted by B, equal to 3 ratio 2. Now we have got their ratio of the efficiency. We can distribute the amount they receive if they work together. Therefore, Akram's share equal to 3 upon 5. The total parts are 3 plus 2, which is 5. And 3 upon 5 multiplied by 2000 upon 1. 5 divides 2000 for 400 times. And this is equal to 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So this is rupees 1200. And Bashir's share equal to 2 upon 5 multiplied by 2000 upon 1. 5 cancels 2000 for 400 times. This gives 4 multiplied by 2 is rupees 800. This is the Bashir's share for doing the work if they work together. This way we can solve it by shortcut method within less than 1 minute. But we must also know the basic concepts of solving the questions like this. We go to the next question, and the next question is Atul plus Naveen can complete a work in 24 days. Naveen plus Vijay in 18 days and Vijay plus Atul in 36 days. They worked together for 4 days. Then Atul left the work. After another 6 days, Naveen left the work. Vijay worked till the completion of the work. Find share of each if they receive rupees 2880 for the work. So we saw like this. Atul plus Naveen, I am denoting it by A and N, together can complete the work in 24 days. Then Naveen plus Vijay, I am denoting Vijay by V, in 18 days. And Vijay plus Atul can complete the work in 36 days. So the LCM of 18, 24 and 36 is 72. But we will be taking double of it, which is 144, as Atul plus Naveen, Naveen plus Vijay, Vijay plus Atul. If we add this, then we get each for 2 times. So we are taking double of the LCM, which is 72 multiplied by 2 is 144. Now 24 divides 144 for 6 times. So I write 6 here. 18 divides 144 for 8 times, and 36 divides 144 for 4 times. Thus, if we divide the work in 144 parts, then 1 day work of Atul plus Naveen is 6 parts, and 1 day work of Naveen plus Vijay is 8 parts, and 1 day work of Vijay plus Atul is 4 parts. And if we add all these, so 1 day work of twice Atul plus Naveen plus Vijay equal to 6 plus 8, which is 14 plus 4 is 18 parts. Therefore, 1 day work of Atul plus Naveen plus Vijay equal to 18 divided by 2 equal to 9 parts of the work. Now, if we have to find the 1 day work of Atul, we can subtract 1 day work of Naveen plus Vijay from Atul plus Naveen plus Vijay. So Atul's 1 day work equal to 9 minus 8, which is equal to 1 part. Naveen's 1 day work equal to 9 minus Vijay and Atul's 1 day work, which is 9 minus 4, equal to 5 parts. And 1 day work of Vijay, 9 minus Atul plus Naveen's 1 day work, which is 9 minus 6, equal to 3 parts. Atul worked for 4 days, Naveen also worked for 4 days, and Vijay also worked for 4 days when they worked together. So they completed 4 day work of all equal to 4 multiplied by 9, because all together we are completing 9 parts every day. So 4 day work of all equal to 36 parts. So they completed 36 parts when they worked together for 4 days. Then Atul left the work, and then Naveen and Vijay worked for another 6 days. So 6 day work of Naveen plus Vijay equal to, they were completing 8 parts every day and they worked for 6 days. So 6 multiplied by 8 equal to 48 parts. Now remaining part was done by Vijay alone. So the remaining work was completed by Vijay alone. So remaining work of Vijay equal to 144 minus 36 minus 48. 36 minus 48 is 84. So 144 minus 84 equal to 60 parts. So 60 part work was done by Vijay alone. Now we can find their share easily, how much money each should get. Now Atul's work equal to, he can do one part of the work every day and he worked only for 4 days along with all the persons. So his 4-day work equal to 1 multiplied by 4 equal to 4 parts. So his share is 4 upon 144 multiplied by 2880 equal to 144 divides to 2880 for 20 times. So this is equal to rupees 80. So Atul will get rupees 80. Naveen's work. So Naveen worked for 4 days along with all and then 6 days along with Vijay. So Naveen work is 4 days plus 6 days multiplied by his capability is of doing work is 5 parts every day. So 4 plus 6 multiplied by 5, which is 50 parts. Therefore his share is 50 upon 144 multiplied by 2880 and 144 divides 2880 for 20 times. So Naveen gets rupees 50 multiplied by 20 equal to rupees 1000. And Vijay's work is, he initially worked for 4 days with all plus 6 days with Naveen and then he completed 60 parts alone. So 4 plus 6 is 10 multiplied by his capacity of working per day is 3 parts per day plus he completed the remaining 60 parts. So this is equal to 4 plus 6 is 10 multiplied by 3 is 30 plus 60 is 90 parts of the work. So his share is 90 upon 144 multiplied by 2880 upon 1 and 144 divides 2880 for 20 times. So he gets rupees 90 multiplied by 20 is rupees 1800. Thus Atul gets rupees 80, Naveen gets rupees 1000 and Vijay gets rupees 1800. This way they can share the amount of 2880 allotted for the whole work. Now we solve the next question. The question is A, B and C can do a work in 10, 12 and 18 days respectively. They did this work alternatively starting with A. Find out their individual share if they receive rupees 3600 for the complete work. Here it is given that they are working alternatively starting with A. So we solve like this. We find out the LCM of their A does the work in 10 days or A can do the complete work in 10 days. So I write 10 for A. B completes the same work in 12 days. So I write B for 12. And C completes the same work in 18 days. So I write 18 for C. And we take out the LCM of 10, 12 and 18. So the LCM of 10, 12 and 18 is 180. So we divide the work in 180 equal parts and A can do these 180 parts in 10 days. So his 1 day work will be 18 parts of the work. And B completes the work in 12 days. So when we divide 180 by 12, we get 15. So B does 15 parts of the work every day. And C completes the entire work in 18 days and 18 divides 180 for 10 times. So C can do 10 parts of the work every day. Now if they work alternatively, then on first day A will complete 18 parts, B will complete 15 parts on the next day, and on third day C will complete 10 parts. So together they will be completing 43 parts in 3 days. Thus in 3 days together A, B, C will complete 43 parts, and 43 divides 180 for 4 times. and remainder will be 8. So everybody will be doing 4-day work, and last 8 parts A will complete on the 5th day. So we'll find their shares like this. So A is working for 4 days and he completes 18 parts every day plus 8 part on the 5th day. So his total work will be 80 parts, and he will be getting the amount for the work of 80 parts which he completed. So 80 divided by 180, which is the total work, multiplied by 3600, and 180 divides 3600 for 20 times, and 20 multiplied by 80 is rupees 1600. So A will be getting rupees 1600. B's share is 4 multiplied by 15 parts, which is equal to 60 parts, and B will be getting the amount for 60 parts. 60 divided by 180 multiplied by 3600, and 180 again divides 3600 for 20 times. So B is receiving rupees 1200, 60 multiplied by 20. So B share is rupees 1200. And C's share, 4-day work of C completes 10 parts every day. So 4-day C works and C completes 40 parts, and amount for 40 part is 40 upon 180 multiplied by 3600. 180 divides 3600 for 20 times, and 20 multiplied by 40 is rupees 800. So C receives rupees 800 for the work which he completes. This was very easy question and we have done it by shortcut method. So any question coming like this of working alternatively, we have not to go for the days in which the complete work is done, but we can solve it by this LCM method and we can do it very fast. Our next question is A, B and C take up a work for rupees 14,400. A can do this work in 12 days, B in 16 days and C in 24 days. They work together for some days and C leaves the work. A and B completed the work. If B gets rupees 3,600 more than C, for how many days did A work? We will solve this question by normal or traditional method as well as by shortcut method. Let C gets rupees X. Then B gets rupees X plus 3,600, as B is receiving 3,600 more than C, and A gets remaining amount from 14,400. So A's share is 14,400 minus B's amount, which is X plus 3,600, and C's amount, which is X. So this is equal to 10,800 minus 2x. As A and B have worked for equal number of days, so they will be getting the amount as per their efficiency, and we can compare their efficiency as A's efficiency upon B's efficiency equal to, as A can do the work in 12 days and B in 16 days. So the reverse of this will be their efficiency, which will be 16 upon 12. So A's efficiency upon B's efficiency equal to 16 upon 12, and as per their efficiency they are going to get the amount. So A's amount is 10,800 minus 2x upon B's amount is x plus 3,600. 4 cancels 16 for 4 times and 4 cancels 12 for 3 times. So by cross multiplication we get 4 multiplied by x is 4x and 4 multiplied by 3,600 equal to 14,400. This is equal to 3 multiplied by 10,800, that is equal to 32,400, minus 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6x. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 and x with that is 6x. On transferring 6x to LHS we get 10x. 6x plus 4x equal to 10x. This is equal to 32,400 minus 14,400 is 18,000. This gives X equal to 1,800. So C receives rupees 1,800, and if we put the value of X in A's amount, we will get A's share. So A's share will be 10,800 minus 2 multiplied by 1,800, that's value of X, and 1,800 multiplied by 2 is 3,600, and 10,800 minus 3,600 is 7,200. So A gets rupees 7,200. So when A works for 12 days, he gets 14,400. Now if he gets rupees 7,200, which is half of 14,400, then he will be working for half of the 12 days, which is equal to 6 days. So number of days A work equal to 6 days. Now we will solve this question by shortcut method. So we will solve it by shortcut. The efficiency of A, B and C we write here. As A and B have worked for all the days, and if we compare only their efficiency, then A works for 12 days, while for the same work B has to work for 16 days. So their ratio of efficiency will be reverse of it, which is 16:12, or we can write 4:3. Now we know that the amount total is 14,400. B gets 3,600 more than C. If we say that if C also gets 3,600, then we add 3,600 to 14,400, and that makes the amount 18,000. Now we have to distribute the 18,000. So the efficiency of C will be 3 equal to B. Then the total efficiency will be 4 plus 3, which is 10. For efficiency 10, the amount is 18,000. Therefore, for efficiency 4 is 18,000 multiplied by 4 upon 10, and we cancel 0 of denominator with 0 of numerator. That gives 1800 multiplied by 4 is 7,200. So A share will be 7,200, and we have to calculate the number of days for A has worked. Thus, for 14,400, A has to work for 12 days. Therefore, for 7,200, 12 multiplied by 7,200 upon 14,400, and 7,200 cancels 14,400 for 2 times, and 2 cancels 12 for 6 times. This is equal to 6 days. This way we can solve the question by shortcut method. We go to the next question. A, B and C together take up a work for rupees 1,920. Then C share is rupees 840. B plus C together take 60% more time than A plus B plus C. If A plus B take 14 days more than A plus B plus C, in how many days can A plus B plus C complete the work? This is a confusing type of question, but we will solve it by short trick method and by logic. So B plus C ratio A plus B plus C for time. B plus C takes 60% more time than A plus B plus C for doing the work. So this will be equal to 160 upon 100. When A plus B plus C will be doing the work in 100 days, then B plus C will be doing in 160 days. So we cancel 0 by 0, and the reciprocal of this will be the ratio of their efficiency. So the efficiency of B plus C together will be 10, and efficiency of A plus B plus C together will be equal to 16. Now one more hint is given to us that C share is 840 out of 1,920, and we know that the money is always distributed as per their efficiency, so we can compare their efficiency with the amount they receive. So ratio of amount of C upon A plus B plus C, this is equal to 840 upon 1,920. 0 of numerator is cancelled by 0 of denominator, and 12 divides 84 for 7 times, and 12 divides 192 for 16 times. So the efficiency of C ratio A plus B plus C is 7 upon 16. Now in both the cases, the denominator is 16, so it is easy for us to compare the things. When the efficiency of A plus B plus C is 16, then the efficiency of B plus C is 10. And when A plus B plus C, the efficiency is 16, then efficiency of C is 7. So we can find out the efficiency of B. B plus C is 10. Therefore, B's efficiency is 10 minus 7, which is equal to 3. And A equal to, as B equal to 3, C equal to 7, and out of 16, if we subtract the efficiency of B and C, then A's efficiency will be 16 minus 10, which is equal to 6. So we have got the efficiency of A, which is 6, efficiency of B is 3, and efficiency of C is 7. So time ratio of A plus B we have to find out with A plus B plus C. So A plus B upon A plus B plus C equal to their efficiency ratio is efficiency of A is 6 plus B is 3 upon A plus B plus C is 16. This is equal to 9 upon 16. Therefore, their time ratio equal to 16 upon 9. The reciprocal of efficiency is the ratio of their time. So efficiency ratio is 9 upon 16. Therefore, the time ratio will be 16 upon 9. And the difference between 16 and 9 is 7. So when A plus B takes 7 days more, then A plus B plus C can do the work in 9 days. Therefore, when A plus B takes 14 days more, as given in the question, then A plus B plus C will be doing 9 multiplied by 14 upon 7. 7 cancels 14 for 2 times. So this is equal to 18 days. So A plus B plus C will be doing the work in 18 days. I will explain it again. It is given to us that the time taken by B plus C is 60% more than A plus B plus C. Now, if A plus B plus C do in 100 days, then B plus C will be doing in 160 days. That is their ratio of their time. So we cancel here and we get 16 upon 10. As the efficiency is the reciprocal of time, therefore the efficiency of B plus C upon A plus B plus C equal to 10 upon 16. Now C gets rupees 840 out of 1920. So if A plus B plus C are getting rupees 1920 when they are working together, then C's share is 840, and we know that the money is always distributed as per their efficiency. So C ratio A plus B plus C equal to 840 upon 1920, which is equal to 7 upon 16. And thus the efficiency ratio of C upon A plus B plus C equal to 7 upon 16. So in both the cases we have the denominator 16, and if we say that the efficiency of A plus B plus C is 16, then efficiency of C is 7, and as we know that the efficiency of B plus C is 10, so if we subtract 7 from B plus C, we will be getting the efficiency of B. So 10 minus 7 equal to 3 is the efficiency of B, and if we subtract efficiency of B and C from efficiency of A plus B plus C, which is 16, then 16 minus 7 minus 3, which is equal to 6, that is efficiency of A is 6. Now in the question it is given to us that A plus B take 14 days more than A plus B plus C. So we will compare the efficiency of A plus B upon A plus B plus C, and we find that A plus B upon A plus B plus C equal to 6 plus 3 upon 16, which is equal to 9 upon 16. And the reciprocal of efficiencies ratio is the ratio of their time. So A plus B upon A plus B plus C's time equal to 16 ratio 9 or 16 upon 9. Here the difference of 16 and 9 is 7. It means that A plus B take 7 days more than A plus B plus C when they work together. So when A plus B takes 7 days more, then the work done by A plus B plus C is in 9 days, and it is given that A plus B take 14 days more. So A plus B takes 14 days more, then the work done by A plus B plus C will be equal to 9 multiplied by 14 upon 7, and 7 cancels 14 for 2 times, which is equal to 9 multiplied by 2 equal to 18 days. This way we can solve this question by shortcut method and logic, and we find that A plus B plus C together can complete this work in 18 days. Now we go to the next question, and our question is Amar, Baldev and Chetan can complete a work in 18, 24 and 36 days respectively. They together started the work for rupees 12,600. Baldev left 2 days before and Chetan left 6 days before the completion of the work. Amar works till the end of the work. What amount Amar receives for his work? We solve the question as Amar can complete the work in 18 days. So his 1 day work, I am putting A for Amar, B for Baldev and C for Chetan, and Amar is doing the work in 18 days. So his 1 day work will be 1 upon 18. So I am putting denominator as 18, and B can complete the work in 24 days. So I am putting the denominator of B as 24, and C can complete the work in 36 days. So for 1 day work of C, the denominator I am putting as 36. So this is 1 upon 18 is the 1 day work of A, 1 upon 24 is 1 day work of B, and 1 upon 36 is 1 day work of C. Let's A works for X days because he is the only person, Amar is the only person represented by A who is working for all the days till the work is not completed. So let Amar works for X days. Then Baldev leaves 2 days before the completion of work. So Baldev works for X minus 2 days. So I am putting X minus 2 upon 24. And Chetan leaves 6 days before the completion of work. So Chetan's work will be X minus 6 days. So the work done by A is X upon 18. Work done by B is X minus 2 upon 24. And work done by C is X minus 6 upon 36. This is equal to 1 work. Now LCM of 18, 24 and 36 is 72. So we multiply both sides by 72. So we get X upon 18 multiplied by 72, and 72 is cancelled by 18 for 4 times. So this makes 4x plus 24 cancels 72 for 3 times. So 3 multiplied by X minus 2 gives us 3x minus 6 plus 36 cancels 72 for 2 times, and 2 multiplied by X minus 6 gives us 2x minus 12 equal to 72 multiplied by 1 is 72. This gives 4x plus 3x plus 2x, which is 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 9. 9x equal to 72, and we shift minus 6 and minus 12, which is minus 18, towards RHS, which makes is plus 18. So this gives 9x equal to 72 plus 18 is 90. Therefore, x equal to 90 upon 9 is 10. So A works for 10 days. Now we have to find his amount for his work. So Amar's share, when he works for 18 days, he gets 12,600. So When he was for 10 days, then his share will be 10 upon 18 multiplied by 12,600. 18 cancels 18 for one time and 18 cancels 126 for 7 times, and thus 12,600 is cancelled by 18 for 700 times. This is equal to 10 multiplied by 700 is rupees 7,000. So Amar gets rupees 7,000 for his work. Here completes topic on work and wages. I have covered almost all types of questions with shortcuts, tips and tricks. If you want more such videos on quantitative aptitude, let me know the topic in comment section below. I have added quantitative playlist on top of this video and in description box. If you like this video, please share among your friends. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.